Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream heavy cream easy guide. Start with chilled heavy cream, a cold bowl, and a whisk or electric mixer to speed whipping. Whip at medium speed until soft peaks form, then add sugar or vanilla and finish to stiff peaks. Chill the bowl again if the cream loosens, and use immediately for best texture and flavor in desserts and drinks. Keep your equipment cold and ready to transform heavy cream into fluffy whipped cream quickly and reliably. A metal bowl and cold whisk or beaters help trap air and stabilize peaks. If using a stand mixer, watch closely to avoid overwhipping into butter. For small batches, a chilled jar with a tight lid works well if you shake vigorously, but a mixer gives the most consistent results. Flavor choices and stability tricks make a big difference when you want whipped cream to hold up. Use powdered sugar for smooth sweetness, and try a spoonful of mascarpone or a pinch of gelatin for longer-lasting peaks. Gentle folding keeps air in without deflating the cream. Taste as you go and adjust vanilla, sugar, or other flavorings to match the dessert you plan to top or fill.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.